in the small, isolated town of Raven's Hollow, nestled deep within the heart of an ancient forest, Valentine's Day was no ordinary celebration. Legend had it that on this cursed day, the spirits of ill-fated lovers roamed the town, seeking redemption for their tragic pasts. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows over Raven's Hollow, a young couple named Emily and Alex decided to spend their Valentine's Day exploring the mysterious woods. The townsfolk warned them about the dark history that lurked within the trees, tales of lovers torn apart by jealousy and betrayal, their souls forever trapped in a purgatory of heartbreak. Undeterred by the warnings, Emily and Alex ventured deeper into the forest, hand in hand. The moonlight filtered through the twisted branches, casting an eerie glow on the path ahead. Unbeknownst to them, a dense fog began to envelop the trees, obscuring their surroundings and heightening the sense of foreboding. As they wandered deeper, the couple stumbled upon an ancient, dilapidated mansion hidden among the trees, the forsaken relic of a bygone era. Intrigued by the eerie beauty of the mansion, Emily and Alex cautiously entered, the creaking door protesting their intrusion. Inside, the air was heavy with the scent of dried roses and the remnants of a long-forgotten perfume. Flickering candlelight illuminated a grand ballroom, adorned with tattered tapestries, frozen in time as if awaiting a spectral dance. The distant echoes of a haunting melody played, its melancholic notes sending shivers down their spines. In the dim light, they noticed an ornate mirror covered in dust and cobwebs. As Emily approached, the reflection revealed not their own, but the ghostly visages of a couple locked in a tragic embrace. The spectral figures whispered tales of love gone awry, of promises broken and hearts shattered. Suddenly, the temperature dropped, and the room became suffused with an otherworldly chill. The couple felt an invisible force pulling them apart, and ghostly apparitions materialized before them, the tortured souls of lovers who had once suffered within these very walls. Desperation filled the air as the spirits recounted their tales of betrayal and heartache. The anguished wails of the ghosts echoed through the mansion, intertwining with the haunting melody that seemed to emanate from the very walls. Emily and Alex, paralyzed by fear, watched as the spirits reenacted their tragic love stories, doomed to repeat their torment for eternity. As the clock struck midnight, the mansion shook with a spectral energy. The spirits, their eyes filled with hollow sorrow, turned towards Emily and Alex. With a collective moan, the lovers' apparitions lunged at the young couple, enveloping them in a chilling embrace. In an instant, Emily and Alex found themselves trapped in a twisted dreamscape, reliving the doomed romances of the past. The mansion transformed into a labyrinth of sorrow, each door leading to a different tale of heartbreak. Desperation set in as they realized they were prisoners of a love-cursed nightmare. Outside the mansion, the fog thickened, swallowing the ancient structure whole. The whispers of the past lingered in the air, warning future wanderers to steer clear of Raven's Hollow on Valentine's Day, for the cursed spirits would claim any unsuspecting souls who dared to intrude upon the tragic echoes of love lost.